If you're tired of the same old margarita, let me show you this mix you want to make all year long. It's super easy, refreshing, and made with ingredients you probably already have at home. For a rim, we use a little agave nectar and dip the glass into shredded coconut. Not only does it look great, it adds the perfect tropical touch. Now, in a shaker with ice, add fresh lemon juice, agave nectar, GOYA coconut milk, orange liqueur, tequila, and limoncello. Shake it well until it's nice and cold. Strain into your prepared glass so it's extra smooth, and finish it up with a lemon slice for garnish. A creamy, refreshing margarita with tropical flavor. This margarita is fire. If you like this recipe, give it a like, save it, and share it with someone who doesn't need an excuse for a good tropical cocktail.